Hmm. I got a problem here, and I don't know if it's the engine knock or the valves or what, but see what you guys think. I'm confused. It's probably an engine knock or a rod knock, but I just want to get you guys' opinion. But I don't know if I should rebuild it.